Lesson 29, Bulk Updations. In this chapter, we'll discuss about the bulk updation utility. Bulk updation utility provides many options using which you can update various details in bulk. For example, if you want to create multiple accounts, items or tax category masters, or want to update all these masters in bulk using a single screen, then you can use various options provided under bulk updations menu. So by using bulk updations menu, you can make updations in masters or vouchers in bulk. Bulk updations menu is provided under administration menu. You can see on the screen a lot of options are provided under bulk updations menu, in which first option is of update balance sheet stock. Using update balance sheet stock option, you can update the stock of the balance sheet. You can update the stock as per book stock or as per GP ratio. Book value refers to value that is calculated based on the records entered in the books of accounts for the items. On selecting this option, closing stock of different items will be updated according to book value. On selecting the GP ratio, Busy will do a reverse calculation to calculate closing stock according to the percentage you have specified. GP ratio is basically gross profit divided by net sales. Next is master synchronization. Master synchronization provides the facility to synchronize masters of one financial year to another financial year. Financial year in which you are working will be taken as base financial year, from which masters will be copied to the financial year of your choice. For using master synchronization feature, it is necessary that you have created more than one financial year. You can see on the screen Busy is showing a message: no other financial year exists, masters cannot be synchronized, they require more than one financial year. Concept of financial year we'll discuss in our next chapter, chapter 30, that is year end process. Next option is update master print name. Using this option, you can update print name automatically for all the accounts, items or material center masters. On selecting this option, you can see a screen update master print name, in which you can specify whether you want to update master print name for item, all item, group of items, similarly for one account, group of account or all account. Master print name will be updated according to the configuration specified in the master's configuration option. Next is merge masters. Merge master utility provide the facility to merge different masters. On selecting the merge masters option, item option, you can see we have specified source item as Whirlpool fridge and target item as Whirlpool refrigerator. Next, an option delete source item after merging data is appearing. If you specify yes, source item will be deleted, otherwise source item will be retained. Next option is delete unused master. Using this option, you can delete masters that do not have any transaction in current financial year. Further, you can specify the criteria also, that is you want to delete all accounts, group of accounts, all the items. So using this option, you can delete all the unused masters, that is the masters that are not used in any single transaction in the current financial year. Next option is update item tax category HSN code. Using this option, you can update tax category or HSN code for a group of items, all items or selected items. Here you can see on the screen we have selected the item group as refrigerator and specified its HSN code. So this HSN code will be updated in all the items falling under the item group refrigerator. Next is update item critical levels. This utility provides the facility to set critical levels for different items. Critical level implies setting the minimum, maximum reorder stock level and number of days for which such levels are to be maintained for an item. You can specify different criteria, that is you need to check the consumption at one material center or all material center, and the consumption pattern is to be checked for all vouchers or selected voucher or within a specified date range. So after specifying these criteria, you can update item critical levels. Next is update item price discount. Using this option, you can update items price or discount. First of all, here you will select whether you want to update price, discount or markup. If you have enabled the option of markup, then you can update markups also. We have selected the price option. Next is field to be updated, that is here we have selected sale price, that is we want to update sale price. Basis is at. Select type is percentage 10% with respect to purchase price. This implies that we want to add 10% of purchase price in the purchase price itself to make it as sale price. So sale price is equal to 10% of purchase price plus purchase price. So you can specify different criteria here. There are a lot of options provided based on which you can update item price or discounts or markups. Here you can also specify rounding off modes also, that is it should be always upper, lower, automatic and rounding off nearest to. At the bottom you can see similar fields are appearing for discount and markup. If you have selected discount option, you can specify the criteria for updating discounts. Next is update item discount structure. Using this option, you can update discount structures in all the items, selected items or group of items, and for sale or purchase. Similar is the option of update item markup structure. Using this option, you can update markup structure in group of items, selected item, or all items. Next, we will discuss multiple account creation modification option. Using this option, you can create or modify multiple accounts using a single screen. Here, first of all, Busy is asking, do you want to add new masters or modify existing masters? We have selected modify existing masters option. Then we have specified the key field, that is name or alias. Then we'll click the load masters button to load the list of masters in which we want to make the changes or modifications. We have specified the group as sundry debtors. Click the show list button, and then we have selected the required accounts. Here we are selecting all the accounts, and now on the screen you can see all the accounts, selected accounts are appearing. You can make the required changes in all these accounts using a single screen. At the top, a select fields button is also provided, using which you can add or remove fields of your choice. Like if you do not want to view group name or opening balance, then you can remove these fields. Similarly, if you want to add any other fields, then you can use the select fields button. Here you can see we are modifying the mobile numbers of various parties. Next, at the top, add new master button is also provided. Using add new master button, you can create multiple accounts using this particular screen. A blank screen with a grid will appear, wherein you can specify account name, alias, opening balance, and all other details that you want. Next is multiple item master creation modification. Using this option, you can create or modify multiple items using single screen. Here also, first we are modifying existing master. We have load the list of existing item masters, selected item masters, and we can make the required changes in it. Then we'll click the add new master button. On clicking the add new master button, Busy has shown a message that grid will be refreshed. Do you want to continue? We have clicked the yes button. Now we are adding new item master. We have specified item name, its group name, its opening stock if any. All these details you can enter using a single screen and create as many item masters as you want. Next is multiple tax category creation modification. Using this option, you can create or modify multiple tax categories. On selecting this option, first here also we have specified modify master option. Then we have load the list of all the existing tax category masters, and on the screen you can see all the details of the tax category masters are appearing. You can make the required changes in them. Next, we will be discussing set voucher as template option. Using set voucher as template option, you can set a voucher as base voucher or template based on which vouchers can be replicated. On selecting this option, a set voucher as template screen will appear, wherein first of all we are selecting the voucher type as sale. Then we'll click the show voucher list button. On clicking this button, we'll specify the filtration criteria, that is starting date and ending date, vouchers entered between which will be displayed on the screen. On clicking the show list button, Busy has shown all the vouchers that are entered between the specified date range. We have selected a particular voucher which is entered for Bright Electricals and clicked OK button. Now we'll specify a template name. We have given the name as Sales Bright Electricals, and we'll click the OK button to save the voucher as template. Now next we will discuss voucher template tagging option. With voucher template tagging option, you can tag template to a voucher on the basis of selected master or voucher series. In other words, you can predefine the settings to be loaded in the voucher when a particular party, sale, purchase type or voucher series is selected. You can set different templates to voucher types for the selected master or voucher series. Here we are selecting the account as Bright Electricals. Then we are specifying the voucher type as sale, voucher template, sales, Bright Electricals, and we want to update the header entries, item entries, bill sundry entries. That is, whenever you will enter a sales voucher and select the party as Bright Electricals, all the header, item and bill sundry details will be loaded automatically from the specified template. Now we'll open a sales voucher. We'll go to sales, add option, specify header related details, select party as Bright Electricals, and you can see all the item and bill sundry details and header details are updated as per the template voucher. So this is the voucher template tagging feature. Next we will be discussing voucher replication option. Voucher replication option provides the facility to replicate vouchers for different parties on a particular date or for a single party on different dates. On selecting the voucher replication option, first you need to specify that you want to replicate vouchers, single voucher for different accounts, single voucher in different dates, or all vouchers in a particular date. So we are selecting here single voucher for different accounts, that is, accounts will be changed in the replicated voucher, all other details will remain same. Next we will select the voucher type as receipt. Now Busy has shown a message that no template exists for the receipt voucher. Do you want to create it now? We'll click the yes button and we'll create a template for receipt vouchers. We are viewing list of all the receipt vouchers, selected a particular voucher, given a name to the template, and we have selected the same template here. Now we have specified the voucher date, that is the date on which vouchers will be replicated. Next we'll select accounts for which vouchers are to be generated. Click this button and select the accounts for which you want the vouchers to be generated, replicated vouchers. On clicking this button, we have specified the account group as sundry debtors, and we have selected 3 accounts from the list. So voucher will be replicated for these 3 accounts. Next, select account to be changed, that is you want to change the party account in the replicated voucher or bank account. We have selected the party account, that is bank account will remain same, only the party name will be changed. Click replicate button to replicate the vouchers. Now we'll view the list of receipt vouchers for the date 1st August. You can see on the screen 3 vouchers are generated on this particular date. If you press enter key on any of the option, you can see the complete voucher details also. So this is the feature of voucher replication. It is a very useful utility. You can replicate as many vouchers as you want. So this is our bulk updations chapter. At the end of the chapter, we have provided certain exercise. You can view the exercise and attempt it also. Thanks for watching. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel.